common question you get asked about automatic screen printing machines is, how fast will it run? Well, I'm going to go on the record and say this. If you run over 900 pieces an hour in the majority of the shops out there, quality starts to suffer. Now, can you run at 100 dozen an hour, 1,200, 1,300 pieces? Sure. Most machinery will run at that speed. But I think the real focus needs to be at 600 to 900 pieces an hour, doing that more consistently. And then, what do you really do throughout the day? You set up and break down the equipment. So, setup time, tear down time, operation of the equipment during the run, these are the things that you really have to evaluate when you're going to assess a piece of equipment. And I think that's where technology does a better job. And so one of the things that you'll always hear me preach is buy the best technology that you can afford, because that is what's going to keep your machine actually printing shirts. Because when you look at the process, the money is made when the machine is actually producing garments, not during the setup and tear down, not during the maintenance, these type of things. So at the end of the day, get the piece of equipment that sets up the fastest, that tears down the fastest, that allows you at the tip of your fingers to do everything you need to do at the print head. And I think that's the deciding factor for many people. When we look at the process of automatic screen printing of textiles, we have to say the runs are getting shorter, the color count is getting higher, flashing and cooling is getting higher. So we look at this and we say the best advice we can give to the customer is to simply say, get as big of a machine that you can fit in your physical space or fit within your budget. And that's the best advice that anybody can give you when you're looking at buying an automatic. Don't buy too small of a machine. Yes, you look at it and you say, well, it's only $42,000 or it's only $60,000. But that small amount of difference, if you evaluate it across a lease payment as an example, the difference might only be $200 to $400 a month to get what you need, to get more capacity, more flashing and more cooling. So the one thing I'll say to you is this. If $200 to $400 a month difference is going to put you out of business, you don't need to be buying the machine in the first place.